Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to initiate call in our WhatsApp in latest iPhone version. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to initiate or try to make a call in WhatsApp, you see an error that unable to initiate call, please try again later. So let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to go back from here, and the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your networks. Once you have done, just go back from here and just open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected on a VPN, simply try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here, open your app store, go for search, and you have to search for WhatsApp to check for pending updates for your WhatsApp app. So just search for WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your WhatsApp. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, you have to simply go back. I recommend you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Sometime there will be any iOS glitch or your system glitch, so it will be fixing the stuff. So you just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry it to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to settings app here, go to general, go to iPhone storage, just look for WhatsApp app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So after offloading or deleting the app, if there will be any bug or any malware into your WhatsApp app, it will be fixing this app. So you just have to tap on this reinstall option to reinstall the app again on the iPhone. So it will completely reinstall your WhatsApp app without any errors like that. So you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.